It's fun being alumni back to help announce for this really awesome occasion. So, who we first have coming in is Lily Salisbury, the freshman princess, is coming around the track right now. She's going to be accompanied by her older brother, Joe Salisbury, who is back with us in the former Taft alumni. Her favorite Taft memory, I haven't been at Taft for a little too long, but my favorite memory would have to be my first dance, which was the peacock dance. She would have been a young friend who were always pushing her to do better. Her friends and family were sitting by her side. Her coaches were improving her sports skills. And the team of children, because she's always on fleek. I don't know what that means. That's pretty cool. Her plan for high school was go to the University of Hawaii and live there for a few years, also go on a mission trip somewhere. The freshman princess, Lily Salisbury. Look pretty awesome tonight, Lily. Your sophomore princess is coming around, and that is sophomore Marjorie Price. She will be accompanied by her dad, Dave Price. Her favorite Taft memory, 2015 Music in the Parks. Who she'd like to thank is her parents and other amazing role models. I think Marjorie is a pretty role model for most of us. Her plan for high school is to attend OSU World Beavers and get a master's or PhD in ecology or forestry. Help me congratulate Marjorie Price, your sophomore princess. Move over, Dave, move over. Alright, kid. Next is your freshman, or your junior prince, Gavin Sires. He will be escorted by his mom, the fabulous Shannon Hurts. His favorite Taft memory, and she raised so cute, going to stay with his brothers on the soccer team last year in the Black Light dances. He liked to thank his parents for always being there for him and for pushing him to do things he didn't think he could do. He also liked to thank his friends and family for making him into the land he is today. And he'd like to thank his teachers for teaching him. To thank Alex Monticelli for being his best BFF. His friends at high school are to go to a four-year university or community college. He wants to play soccer for college and maybe even go to be professional. He guesses. He just wants to succeed. Thank you. Good job. That's the house. Junior prince is Mike Zacharias. Here comes the he will be accompanied by your name, but she looks pretty cute right now. His favorite Taft memory, he has a lot of them, but it's not at the side. His favorite one that stays right now would be seeing Michael Westfall picking up the phone for a store. That was a good one too, Mike. He'd like to thank his family and friends and everybody who supports him. And his plans after high school are undecided, and that's absolutely okay. Please help me congratulate Mike Zacharias. Now, the first junior princess, Audra Zook, is coming on. She will be escorted by her father, Kevin Zook. Her favorite Taft memory, playing sports with all her friends and loved ones. She'd like to thank her dad for supporting her through everything, and her best friend, Alex Monticelli, for never giving up on her. She'd like to go to Arizona State to play for the Sun Devils and to become a teacher. And to congratulate Audra Zook. Your next junior princess is Alma Aguirre. She will be accompanied by her mother, Shawn Aguirre. Favorite Taft memory is watching her brother Mason score Patrick Pringles during the last football season state playing game against Jerks. She would like to thank her parents for always supporting her in everything she does, and her brother for inspiring her to try her best. She'd like to thank all of her friends for always making her laugh. Her plans at high school is she's leaning towards a career in biology, but also considering cosmetology. Help me congratulate successful, which is pretty awesome. Let me congratulate Trent Williams. Our next team nominee and senior prince is Rylan Fisher. Looks like he's going to be accompanied by Lakaya and Becky Fisher and Randy Fisher. So now Randy's up here working actually, so we've got Becky and Lakaya. His favorite time memory is talking football with Matthew Baird. Actually, everybody's here. Class for voting for him. That's pretty awesome. And his plans after high school is hopefully playing college football for Pacific University. That's not in there. I'm just kidding. That's fine. Just let me go. You know you want to go to Pacific. That's fine. Next, I want to congratulate Riley Fisher. That's all in the video too. Our next team nominee is Alroy Zacharias. Samantha Shaw. His favorite time memory is making the state playoffs for both baseball and football. He would like to thank his parents for teaching him many things and making him the person he is today. His teams because they motivated him to be the best he could be. And lastly, his two brothers, Mike and Leo, and his sister Caitlin, because no matter how much they fight or don't agree with each other, he loves them and all they couldn't imagine growing up without them. His plans after high school is to go to Portland Community College, then transfer over to a bigger college to become a health teacher and coach high school football. I want to congratulate Alroy Zacharias. Now starting with your Queen nominees. Carly Domingo is your first nominee. She will be accompanied by her dad, Carl Domingo. Her favorite time memory is winning fourth at the state her freshman year for competition cheer. She would like to thank the wonderful family for showing her how to be compassionate for others and always motivating her to do her best, and for her friends for shaping her into who she is today. Her plans after high school is to attend a four-year college. Let's help welcome and congratulate Carly Domingo. Your next Queen nominee is Vanessa Madsen. Accompanying her today will be her father, Paul Madsen. Her favorite memory is getting ready for dances with all her friends and shooting her head off at all football games. She would like to thank her parents, Jane Jones, John Reese, and Paul Madsen, as well as her daughter mom, Shelly Young, and her aunt Shannon, her best friend Kelsey Wilkinson, and her boyfriend Brendan, for supporting her through her rodeo season of the summer. But I can't forget to thank all of her, she can't forget to thank all of her friends for making the high school years full of fun and laughter. She loves you guys. Her plans after school is to attend college and study the medical field while competing in collegiate or amateur pro rodeo. Help me congratulate Vanessa Madsen. The final Queen nominee for the night is Kelsey Wilkinson. She will be accompanied by her father, Chad Wilkinson. Her favorite memory is the last 3 years of softball that she spent with the best team she's ever been on. They will always and forever be her family. She's also going to all football games and yelling with her friends. She'd like to thank her parents for their love and support and always pushing her to do her best in school as well as athletics. She'd also like to thank John Reese, Jane Jones, and her best friend, Vanessa Madsen, for being her unbiological family, and Mrs. Moore for being her school mom and makes her eat healthy. After high school, she'd like to play collegiate softball at Division III level, possibly Linfield or Willamette, and major in exercise science or fitness studies. I want to congratulate Kelsey Wilkinson. Kelsey, we're crying up here. It's like this whole thing is just really emotional. So I don't know if you do a drum roll. Everybody do a drum roll down and that'd be exciting. Can you do the first? for homecoming, Carly Domingo.
And Chet Parker, Chet's doing the drawing, get your tickets out. Okay, the winner who's here tonight is William Irvin.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Hey, how about that? William, I called as a fisherman.